Hello everyone! I am Jake Patrick Abigbutoyan from grade 12 HEA 6A, and today I am here to showcase of how I prepare my own clubhouse sandwich. Wait lang. In a low medium. Yan, kita nyo naman siguro sa video. We have here is our ham. We have 2 hams here. The egg. And so now let's move forward in assembling the sandwich, the clubhouse sandwich. We have here is, ang available is Japanese mayo. So let's see if it will do. We'll just put enough mayo. Pang-bind yung mayo. Yeah, pang-bind tama. Spread evenly. Spread well. Spread like your beautiful wings. Charot. Chicken wings. We have here is our lettuce. Very green lettuce. Healthy siya. Which is good. Yan, wait lang. We're gonna top it off with another lettuce. Next is our cooked ham. Yan. Next wait lang. Let's just fix it. Yan. In another layer, we're gonna add sliced cheese. Mas better if 2 cheese para mas masarap siya. Para mabalance din yung flavor. Wow, mabalance yung flavor. And in another bread, layer of bread. So here it is, another layer of bread. Wait lang. Another mayo for bind. Add pa tayo. Yan. I think this mayo will do. We hope so. And we're gonna top it off with our egg. The egg that we cooked earlier. Yan. Wait lang. Yes. Yan. And for the final is the last bread. Wait lang. Yeah. Wait lang. And now, this is why it is called as clubhouse sandwich, because we have to cut it in half. Ayan, wait lang. We have to cut it in half. So, let's see. Sana matalas pa yung kutsilyo, kasi po pag hindi, baka masaksak ko sarili ko. Charot. Charot lang po. I-rated R na lang po natin yung video. Rated SPG po yung video, ha? Here is this.